guys, this is Tractor Guy Ty, and for 250 subscribers I will be showing you my 1/64 scale farm display. So this farm display is set in 1976 Michigan on a dairy farm. So we'll start out by the road. Got a Studebaker truck and the series of 76 Massey Ferguson with a disc. Got a Plymouth Roadrunner drifting around the corner. Got the gate with the mailbox and the address on the rock farm sign and old wagon wheel. Over here we got the farmhouse. We got the family's station wagon. We got El Camino. We got kind of an equipment row up here with their rake, their disc, their hay racks, their plow, their trailer, that kind of stuff. We got kind of the backyard with a chicken coop, a sandbox, shed, little tiny disc for a garden. Got the junk pile back behind the shop, grain bin, burn barrel. We got a tree. We got feed bin, auger, set of pallet forks. Got a hay elevator. Inside the machine shed, we got their planter, their combine, baler, tractors, hay bind, grain truck. Got a little bit of tools here. I got a Ford 8M, Model 60, Model B, and a 630. Got their corn head and their bean head. Got a 76 square body. They're just sort of have tools in the back to fix if they break anything out in the field. Got some more equipment sitting outside, including a corn crib. We got kind of a fence row and a pasture. This needs to be finished. Got cows in the barn lot. We got a manure spreader and a manure unloader. We got a big silo that they're filling with a Ford, come on, I think it's a 901 maybe. Got a 720. Got their hay barn with hay inside. And then out in the field we got an Oliver 2255 chopping, and we got an Oliver 88 coming to get him a new chopper box. Then we got the shop, which we have a Dodge 3/4 ton getting a oil change. We have a Ford 5000 on the mixer getting it fixed. Then we got a Ford 9N, which we're planning on swapping that Ford flathead V8 into it. Got tools and parts and random stuff, and that's gonna be it for my farm display. Thank you guys so much for 250 subscribers. Goodbye and have a good day.